Well, turning now to COVID-19, Easley City Council has just voted unanimously to pass a mask ordinance. It's first ever requiring people to wear face coverings in public places, indoors, or in public places outdoors where they cannot social distance. That comes as Pickens County officials report the highest number of COVID cases per 100,000 people in South Carolina. Matt Koufax live tonight outside City Hall with more on this ordinance.
Yeah, Cody, in addition to that, Easley, or I should say Pickens County, also reported its highest single-day increase in new COVID-19 case numbers just a couple of days ago. And the message from council tonight was clear. No matter where you stand on the issue of masks, the evidence that a mandate is needed is there in the numbers. And officials say that it doesn't go away right away either, even as the vaccine comes on the horizon. Easley City Councilwoman Pat Webb says council's only aim here is to save lives.
The caseload has gone up. It's gone up dramatically. It is climbing at a rate that is giving us a distinction we don't want.
The new ordinance, which says you can basically wear any face covering as long as your nose and mouth are covered in public, is a stricter mandate than the city's previous resolution, which merely encouraged, not required, mask wearing. The city says that resolution failed.
There's no fine included in this ordinance. However, it does give us more of an emphasis and a leg to stand on when we're saying you must comply.
Under the new ordinance, if people want to complain about others not wearing masks inside a business, they are being directed first to complain to that business owner. If the situation can't be resolved peacefully, that business owner or patron can then call the city and police can get involved.
We've all been contacted. We know that there is a feeling that people do not care to put on masks or be made to put on masks. I'm sorry. I don't have much else to offer in the way of preventive measures.
The ordinance also states that if you are 2 weeks out from completing your COVID vaccine dose, you don't have to comply. However, DHEC told us today they are still recommending face masks if you get the vaccine, since it doesn't guarantee immunity. Webb says they may look at amending that portion.
What we want is to protect the health, safety, and well-being of our population.
Also among tops in the state is the positivity rate here in Pickens County. It's at over 20%. So again, they say this is sorely needed. The mandate goes into effect at midnight on December 26th. So right after the Christmas holiday, the city says that in about a month's time, they will look to see how it's working, whether it is working, and they'll reevaluate whether they need to amend certain portions of this ordinance. In Easley tonight, Matt Koufax, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.